In Kampala, all was eerily quiet today, with most courtrooms empty as the lawyers' strike called by the Uganda Law Society entered day 2. The strike was called at the start of the week to protest the breakdown in the rule of law and erosion of the independence of the judiciary. Several people on remand who had been brought to the courts to have their cases heard had to be taken back to the prisons because there was no one to hear them.
It has affected the administration of justice in that in some situations you see magistrates or judges operating, and in other situations you see people staying away, and the calls for adjournments of that.
Judiciary officials, however, turned up to work as usual, but they had nothing much to do in the absence of string lawyers. However, some lawyers with urgent cases to dispose of showed up. A case in point, an injunction seeking to stop the rerun of Makerere University Business School elections due tomorrow. The polls were won by James Batabairi, whose lawyers filed the injunction today.
It is true the lawyers are demonstrating, but my lawyer knows the urgency of this matter, and he has come to make sure that we secure the injunction today.
His lawyer, Biarogawa Adam, says the matter was urgent and he had to seek a temporary remedy.
The urgency of the matter necessitates us to come here and make sure that justice can be done. Because you know very well that if a matter is pending in court, the judiciary itself is working. So it meant that if I did not come here, my client's matter would be in jeopardy.
Other cases that could not wait were election petitions. In Soroti, the Chief Magistrate's Court had to adjourn over 10 cases as lawyers there joined the strike to protest the rule of law. The strike began after the Uganda Law Society presented a petition to the Chief Justice Benjamin Odoki expressing their displeasure at the erosion of the independence of the judiciary in light of the walk-to-work protests.